Squarespace's AI for writing is an awesome feature. Today I'm going to show you how to use it and how you can implement it on your website to get better written content. Let's dive in. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is make sure that we are on a page where we have the text we would like to enhance. So let's go now and click on edit on the top left hand side. We are now going to look for that text box and we're going to click on the text box. Now once it's highlighted, you'll see the little pencil icon pop up. Let's click on this. And the very first option in this ribbon that comes up is the Squarespace AI. From here, it is now interacting with this text box. Okay, first of all, there are some presets, so you can create a paragraph, you can pitch an idea, or you can work with your blurb. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this and the text specifically that you would like to interact with, you need to highlight. So I've highlighted this now, and here you can simplify the text, you can shorten, or you can lengthen. Let's go ahead and lengthen this text. Once you do so, you're going to click down, you're going to give it a few seconds to generate some content, and quite simply, it'll generate that content. Now, it's also very important to make sure that you are reading the content so that you know it is correct and it is to your liking. Of course, you can go ahead and make small edits thereafter. Now, once you're done, you can go to the top left-hand side, make sure that you can see the save icon. Click down on that, make sure that your changes are saved, and you're done.